If you are looking for a trading journal, then there's many options out there. Today we're having a look at Edgewonk, we're having a look at Tradervue, we're also having a look at, surprise, surprise, Notion. Is Notion a good trading journal though? Well, today we're going to find out, so let's dive in. Okay, so let's have a look at Edgewonk now. So Edgewonk actually offers a ton of awesome features. So it has a comprehensive visual report system which provides deep insights into risk management, trade execution quality, and overall performance metrics. It has an interactive graph which reveals patterns that might otherwise remain hidden. You can also track multiple trading strategies across different markets and currency pairs. This can happen all simultaneously and in real time. And this flexibility, of course, makes Edgewonk ideal for global traders managing a diverse portfolio. You can also import data from major brokers and eliminate your manual entry errors. It also offers cloud storage, which ensures that your trading history is secure and it's backed up, and it's also accessible from anywhere you need it to be. You can also see over here that you can master your trading psychology. So Edgewonk's very distinctive focus is on psychological aspects of trading, and it provides tools specifically designed to improve your emotional discipline. Okay, so we have the ability to quantify your emotional state during trading sessions and identify where psychological factors actually negatively impact your performance. This also tracks patterns of emotional decision making over a period of time. It has a very sophisticated algorithm that is dedicated to cognitive biases and emotional triggers that lead to suboptimal trading decisions. This really can help you develop greater self-awareness. It is built on the principle that emotional control is the foundation of trading success, with features specifically designed to strengthen the psychological resilience. You can also see that Edgewonk has a very comprehensive toolkit which includes detailed exit analysis to identify profit leakages and a performance simulator that models potential improvements to your trading system. The tools can help you refine your approach based on your own historical performance data. You can test new trading ideas and hypotheses without actually risking real capital. And the strategy tester allows you to input parameters and see how a new approach might actually perform based on historical market conditions and your personal trading patterns. It also has some real-world applications, so you can actually fine-tune specific entries and exit criteria based on actual performance data. For example, a trader might discover that extending the profit targets by 15% increases the overall profitability while maintaining a smaller or a similar win rate. Okay, let's have a look at Tradervue now. So Tradervue gives you advanced trade analysis for serious traders. So it's designed specifically for traders who demand comprehensive analysis capabilities. It also offers more sophisticated tools to review, analyze, and improve your trade performance through data-driven insights. You can see over here some of their core strengths include powerful filtering. So you can actually take your dashboard and you can create custom tags and filters to slice your trading data by strategy, market conditions, or even emotional states. It also has multi-currency support. So you can manage and analyze trades across different currencies with automatic conversions for consolidated reporting. This means that it's doing most of the work for you. The last feature over here you can see is their interactive charts, there are multiple analysis, and their collaborative review. So, first of all, you can visualize entry and exit points on dynamic charts that highlight your decision-making process, and it also helps you identify patterns in your trading behavior. You can evaluate risk to reward ratios across your trading history to optimize position sizing and also improve overall risk management strategies. It also grants secure access to mentors or even coaches who can provide direct feedback on your trades, which can accelerate your learning curve. Okay, so I don't think anybody has really thought of Notion as a trading journal, but in actual fact, you can actually jump into Notion and there are some trading journal templates that you can use. So when you get started, you can actually just jump into a built template and customize it to your liking and to your needs. And you can then manage everything within Notion. An extra advantage is if you're actually already using Notion, you can then just continue using it as a trading journal. That means that you're familiar with the interface, and there's even a less of a learning curve. So you can actually transform it into a personal trading command center with your documentation, analysis, and planning, and it's all seamlessly integrated into this highly adaptable environment, and it's tailored to your unique workflow. Why use it instead of a dedicated trading journal? So you have ultimate customization. This means you can design templates that perfectly match your trading style. It combines your structured data fields with freeform notes as well as reflections. It has a holistic trading system, so you can integrate trading journals with market researches, watch lists, strategy, documentation, and performance goals. And your journal trades instantly across all of devices with perfect synchronization and capturing insights while they are still fresh. The last thing over here is that you can build a rich documentation system. This means you have rich media integration. You can embed charts, price, screenshots, news alerts, and even video analysis directly alongside your trade notes for comprehensive context. It also has database-powered analysis, so you can create powerful relations between databases that connect trades to strategies, market conditions, and even emotions to uncover your hidden patterns. And the last thing is the workflow automation. So you can connect with other tools such as Google Sheets, Zapier, custom APIs, and a bunch more that will help you to automate data collection and your analysis processes. Ladies and gentlemen, there we go. Some of the best software in the industry. The takeaway here really is to go and try them in your field of expertise. See how they work for you as an individual. If this was helpful, drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.